everyone, and welcome to our webinar on 5 tips for creating stunning Power BI reports. Today, we will explore how to elevate your Power BI reports through effective design, color choices, and interactive elements. Here at Advisicon, we help organizations achieve greater impact by leveraging work management technologies to accomplish more with less. As work management consultants and technology specialists, our focus is on streamlining processes, improving systems, and achieving better outcomes. In today's session, we're going to start by a little introduction and then talk about the 5 tips: effective and balanced report layouts, selecting and applying color schemes, using fonts, icons, and alignment tools, adding dynamic elements, simplifying report design, and we're going to wrap up with a summary. I'm Shams, a Power Platform developer at Advisicon. I'm passionate about Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. Today, I'm here to guide you through our webinar exploring practical tips to maximize the impact of your reports and dashboards. So let's dive in. In this session, we'll cover 5 key tips to help you create visually stunning and highly functional Power BI reports. Good design enhances the clarity of data, making it easier for your audience to interpret and act upon. Design plays a crucial role in unlocking insights from your data. A well-designed report presents complex data in a clear and understandable manner. By strategically using design elements such as color and layout, you can draw attention to key insights and make them stand out. Interactive features like slicers and filters enable users to explore data on their own, uncovering new insights and opportunities. For example, reports with dynamic visuals allow users to drill down into specifics, revealing trends and patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. Good design significantly improves the user experience by making reports easier to navigate. An organized layout helps users quickly find the information they need, reducing frustration and enhancing satisfaction. Consistency in design, such as uniform use of colors, fonts, and layouts, also aids readability and comprehension, making the report more user-friendly. For instance, a dashboard with a clean, consistent design ensures that users can easily interpret and interact with the data. Design also plays a critical role in establishing trust and credibility. A professional and polished report reflects a high level of attention to detail and enhances your brand's image. Consistent and high-quality design ensures that information presented is accurate and reliable, helping to build confidence in the data. For example, a well-designed report not only presents data effectively, but also communicates a sense of professionalism and trustworthiness. Our first tip is to design effective and balanced report layouts. A well-structured layout guides the viewer's eye and makes the data easier to understand. Ensure your visuals are aligned and spaced evenly to avoid clutter. Designing a compelling layout for your Power BI report can be difficult, especially if you're not necessarily the most artistic person. Whether it's paid or freely available resources, make sure to look for ideas and find a layout that works for what you're trying to achieve. When it comes to actually building your layouts, there are multiple ways you can go about this. Using Power BI shapes, you can build your layouts directly within Power BI. This method is quick and allows you to mix and match shapes on the fly. However, there are some drawbacks. Since shapes in Power BI are interactive elements, they can be accidentally moved or layered over other visuals if you're not very careful with your clicks. Or you can use PowerPoint. Yes, you heard that right, PowerPoint. PowerPoint offers a wider variety of shapes and design tools compared to Power BI. You can design your layout in PowerPoint, save it as an image, and then use this image as a background or base layer in Power BI. Keep in mind that images imported into Power BI will come with a border and some padding, which might affect the final look. In summary, while Power BI offers the built-in tools for layout design, leveraging PowerPoint can give you more design flexibility. Choose the method that best fits your design needs and workflow. Color plays a crucial role in readability and visual appeal. Choose color schemes that enhance contrast and make your report easy to read. First tip, use a color palette. Build your own color palette to stay consistent when using colors across your report. Using a color palette helps you understand which color to use for certain aspects of your report. Use a consistent theme. Ensure you stay consistent with your theme's color palette across your visuals, and limit the number of colors per visual, maximum 6. In the example above, we remained consistent with the use of color across our visuals, but also limited the amount of color used as to not overwhelm users. Use distinguishable colors with enough contrast. Use colors that are easy to distinguish between one another. For instance, using contrasting colors compared to shades of the same color, as this can make it hard to tell the difference. Next, let's talk about fonts, icons, and alignment tools. Fonts are crucial for readability and design consistency. Choose fonts that are easy to read and complement your report's overall style. It's generally best to stick to 2 or 3 fonts to avoid clutter and maintain a professional look. Use different font sizes to create a visual hierarchy, making important information stand out. Icons can make your reports more engaging and intuitive. They help convey messages quickly and guide users to important sections or actions. Select icons that are clear, relevant to the context of your data, and visually consistent with the rest of your report. Proper placement of icons can enhance the user experience by drawing attention to key elements. Proper alignment and spacing are essential for creating a well-designed and visually appealing report. Power BI offers built-in alignment and distribution tools to help you arrange elements neatly. Consistent alignment and spacing improve readability and give your report a polished professional appearance. In summary, thoughtful use of fonts, icons, and alignment tools can significantly enhance the readability and visual appeal of your Power BI reports. Adding dynamic elements like buttons and slicers can significantly enhance the user experience. These features allow viewers to interact with the data, making your report more engaging and informative. Dynamic elements are interactive components that make your reports more engaging. They include buttons, slicers, drill-throughs, and tooltips, all of which allow users to interact with and explore data more deeply. Dynamic elements offer several advantages. Enhanced interactivity. Users can interact with data in real time, which helps them explore and analyze information more effectively. Improved user experience. These elements make the report more intuitive and tailored to user needs, improving overall satisfaction. Real-time insights. As users interact with dynamic elements, they can filter and analyze data on the fly, discovering insights that might not be apparent in a static report. We have some common dynamic elements like buttons. These can be used for navigation or to trigger specific actions such as refreshing data. We have slicers. They allow users to filter data dynamically, letting them view specific subsets of information. And drill-throughs. They enable users to click on summary data and access more detailed information, enhancing data exploration. And finally, tooltips. They provide additional context or information when users hover over data, points, or visuals, offering a richer experience. Now let's move on to the best practices. Consistency. Use dynamic elements consistently throughout your report to avoid confusion. Clarity. Clearly label and design interactive components to ensure they are easy to use. And testing. Test all dynamic elements to make sure they work as intended and enhance the user experience. Incorporating dynamic elements can make your Power BI reports more interactive and valuable. helping users to engage with and understand the data more efficiently. Our final tip is to simplify your report design. Focus on presenting key insights clearly and avoid overwhelming users with too much information. Simplicity is key to creating clear and impactful reports. A simpler design helps users focus on the most important data without getting distracted by unnecessary elements. It also ensures that key insights are highlighted and easily understood. Now, what are some strategies for simplifying report design? Avoid clutter by using a minimal number of visuals. Focus on displaying key data points and insights rather than overwhelming users with too much information. Create a visual hierarchy using size, color, and placement to guide users' attention to the most important elements of your report. Use a consistent layout throughout your report to make it easier for users to navigate and understand. And finally, incorporate white space to separate different elements and avoid clutter. This makes the report more readable and aesthetically pleasing. What are the common pitfalls to avoid? Too much detail can overwhelm users. Focus on the essentials and avoid cluttering your report with excessive visuals. Ensure that design elements such as fonts, colors, and icons are used consistently throughout the report. And finally, keep navigation simple so users can easily find and interact with the data. So, in summary, simplifying your report design can greatly enhance its effectiveness and user experience. By focusing on clarity, consistency, and effective use of space, you can create reports that are both visually appealing and highly functional. As we wrap up today's webinar on 5 tips for creating stunning Power BI reports, let's quickly review what we covered. Here's a recap of the tips covered. Building balanced and visually appealing layouts helps make your data clearer and prevents clutter. Enhance the readability and visual appeal of your Power BI reports. Selecting readable fonts, intuitive icons, and maintaining consistent alignment contributes to a polished and professional report. Incorporating interactive components like buttons, slicers, drill throughs, and tooltips enhances user engagement and provides real-time insights. And finally, focusing on key insights by limiting visuals, maintaining a clear hierarchy, and using white space effectively makes your report more user-friendly and professional. Here's 3 key takeaways. A well-designed report enhances user experience and makes data easier to understand and interact with. Effective design helps uncover actionable insights and makes data exploration more intuitive. A simplified and well-aligned design builds trust and credibility, reflecting a professional image. Thank you for watching this webinar. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. Like or follow us on our social media platforms and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you next time.